Hi everyone, my name is Monwar. In this video, I'll go through creating a container database first, and after that, I'll create a pluggable database using Ansible playbook. So let's go through that one. So here, um, the master playbook is cdb pdb create.yml. So if you see here, you see that we enable role cdb create. So we'll only do cdb first. So empty cdb. Let's see the tree structure for that role. So there you can see that there are different directories. Let's go to another session. So this vars files main.yml under vars directory has got all the variables that I am going to use for this particular playbook. And task.main.yml has got the task that it's going to play. Okay, let's see. So first I'm going to create all the required directories to create around this database. So here I am using file module, and items means it's multiple directories that I'm going to create. Next, copy all the record scripts to the primary database server. So you see all those items. I'm using items. So um, here you see that multiple items I'm going to copy from files directory to the target server. Next, just making sure that is their database already exists or not. And that cdb name is coming. You can see that I already defined inside the variable files. Next part, like create a listener config file, and after that configuring listener. So variables are declared inside the vars main.yml file. Then I'm creating container database. So dbca using response file in silent mode. After that, updating TNS for CDB database. Add profile and modify ORA tab entry. Their post part kind of like I'm enabling. Now I'm going to execute this command into check mode. With the diff option. So this check and diff option gives a good overview what is going to change, and you can see that before and after image, and it does not execute in your playbook. So you can see, for example, archive log, it will execute this SQLs. TNS shell, you can see that shell scripts some details there, what it is going to do. This part is the response file. Now we're going to another option, step. So steps option give us that one by one. So if we are happy, we can just press y. So it will go one step. If we don't want any step, then we can say n. So this is very good when you do block by block check or one part of the playbook. So you can, now we're okay. Now we will execute playbook. So here we are going to execute roles to create CDB only. So here we are configuring TNS entry also, then setting password file, changing logger like log mode. Here it's adding profile, then adding Wora tab entry. So after that, enabling log archive mode. then validate container database. So CDB database has been created successfully. Now let's go to the target server where we created CDB. So you can see a lot of entry there. From Ansible output, we clearly saw that database has been created successfully. This is just verified that from the target server. So now let's create pluggable database under this container, like empty container database. So for this time, to create pluggable database, we enable PDB roles and disable that CDB roles. If you want both together, you can do enable both of them, but makes sure that sequence right. Let's see the tree structure. Here bars main.yml underneath that has got all the variables related to this playbook. Task slash main.yml has got all the tasks. When we execute this playbook, master playbook, it's going to execute all these commands, or all the playbooks or sub playbooks, whatever I say, executing all this from the here. So it has got create record directories, configure like listener files for this pluggable database, and create a pluggable database with local undo, modify Aura tab, and finally just display message. After validating PDB. So I'll share this code to GitHub so that if you would like to play, you can play that one. So we are going to execute playbook here to create pluggable database. So here is pluggable database is ready. So let's validate that one. Show PDBs. If we type now, so we can see that a new PDB is there. Um, let's check. So we have successfully deployed to Oracle 21c container and pluggable database using Ansible. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.